Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Trisha Yadav and today I'm going to give you a review about Oda app. So Oda app is India's one of the best live learning platforms. It has classes from 1st to 12th. You can use this app at Android, iOS, Apple iOS, Windows and Mac OS. So today I'll be showing you the use of Oda app on Android. So let's start. So friends, let's go to Oda app. You can easily download it from the Play Store. So let's search here Oda and here it comes. So this is a live learning app and as I've downloaded it, so I'll open it. So guys, Oda app is a easy user interface app and the app has courses focused on maths and science. It also has multiple options like class selection, course selection, user availed courses, user profile information and rewarding app. So let's start with the class selection first. So here are classes, the options for the classes from the class first up to class 11th. As I'm in 8th, so मैंने 8 select करी हुई है. Then this is the course section and there are free courses also first of all and full academic year courses also. So the free course, you don't need to pay for it, you just need to enroll, and for this full academic year course you need to pay it. Like I'll show you, it's from 5th July to 26th February in this much amount, and it also gives us information about the master teachers and all. You just need to click on enroll button and you need to pay it through any of the apps you want. So the next option is user availed courses. Like I'll go to my courses and there are many options like download. I can download the courses. If I am offline I can see them, and there is option of asking questions also, like how to use the Oda app. Each and every question is there. And now these are the courses which I have taken. So like this is my bridge course. So it also shows about the schedule of the courses, on which date it is and what is the time limit and all. It also gives us information about the mentor teacher, like over here it's given. अगर मैं इस पर क्लिक करती हूँ तो ये मुझे mentor teacher का फ़ोन नंबर एंड email ID इन सब दे देता है. And in this option it's the material option. इसमें जो teachers जिस PPTs and all materials use करते हैं, diagrams and all, वो सब इसमें given होते हैं. And if I by chance miss any class due to some problem, so net issue or something else, so I can click on this replay button and I can replay my classes which I have lost. I left them. And then there is a homework option. We get 48 hours to complete the homework, 5 questions, and we also get points for it. And in a class there are 2 teachers. One is one is master teacher and one is academic mentor. Mentor helps in doing our homework and all, and master teacher teaches us basically in the class. These are live classes. There's one more option of calendar over here. You can see if you forgot about the class, you can click on the calendar and add the class timings and all into the calendar, and it will give you a reminder 10 minutes before the class starts. All the classes starts 10 minutes before, and in one single class there are students from 6th to, you can say, 11th. Teacher completes all the topics from these 6th to 11th, all the content main. So now let's go to the me. This is the profile. You can click here and you'll get all the phone number, email ID, address and all. So हर क्लास में हमें ओडा पॉइंट्स दिए जाते हैं एज पर आर परफॉर्मेंस, एंड फ्रॉम दीज ओडा पॉइंट्स वी कैन गो टू ओडा मॉल and we can exchange these coins with the goods. We can redeem the goods. As you can see, it's MI band 5, so we can redeem with these many coins. if we have. So I have 245 coins, so it is showing that no enough coins. If I had these many coins, it would show redeem now. So if you redeem, then you can see in the order records about the gifts. And in gained records, it shows when you gained the coins, what time, what date, which class, how many coins. So it shows everything about this. And over here, it's in my order. You can see the orders of your courses, like some are free and some are paid. For example, this one is paid. This course, potential spark course, is a paid one. And in FAQs, as I told you, there are questions about the ODA app. If someone is confused about the ODA app, how to use it, you can also share the app use with the help of Facebook, or you can just copy the link of the app, or you can go to more. Through more, you can share the app through many other apps. And in ODA classes, there's about it tells you about the email ID, address, and all the policies, and but that. And here you can rate the ODA app and send the feedback. And in network diagnosis, if there is a problem somewhere in the app, you can just tell them, they'll help you with that. So guys, in this app, teachers are very good and having a very sound knowledge. Teacher use practical examples for explaining the topics, and they also help in improving English skills. Each class has a quiz. 15 to 20 quizzes are there in each class, and we get rewards at the end. So friends, as you have seen, this app is good, so you can also download it from the Play Store easily. So hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell for my more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.